Hi, welcome to my open house at 5897 Mayflower Way in Webb Naples in Ave Maria, Florida. This is a 55 and up community with optional golf, gorgeous amenities, 2 clubhouses. So I am Marta Valle with Realty One Group MVP. Let me show you this house. This floor plan is a Seagrove and it's a quad. So there's 1 unit on the left and this particular unit and 2 more units on the right. This is Mayflower Way where you're coming from, and this is where you would be going also to go out. It's a gated community. There's a gate there at the end of, you have to go a few streets and then you'll reach the gate. There's also 2 clubhouses, gorgeous amenities, pickleball, tennis, golf, all kinds of things. A beautiful resort style pool, lots of clubs. This is a 2 bedroom plus then 2 bathroom home with a 2-car garage. You have a front porch here. The home was built in 2022, so you have impact windows. You also have plantation shutters on the windows, a glass entrance door. You just saw I came in. There's a front porch here that's screened in. This is shared with this unit. And so it is all tiled throughout. Really pretty. It's actually nice and cool. So as you come in, you have right away the den here with a glass door and plantation shutters. You can add a fan here, a beautiful light. You can add a TV, make it an office, a TV room, whichever you want, or even a bedroom if you want. It does not have a closet. This is a dining area. It's very spacious. A living area back there, and this is also where you go to the additional bedrooms. And then this is the kitchen area. You have nice upgraded cabinets, white cabinets, a beautiful backsplash, stainless steel appliances. Everything is really well maintained. You have a 2-car garage right here with a sink. Some stuff here. The home actually comes partially furnished, not with the stuff in the garage, but with this what's here. It has also nice light fixtures. Here you can use this living area. You can see there's a 3-seater here, another armchair. You have a lot more space to use this area. You can put a TV here, and then you have a lanai, a screened-in lanai with an extension. And one thing that's really beautiful about this home is it has a gorgeous, very private preserve view. Here. It's really nice. Very quiet. I don't know if you can hear the cicadas. I can. I've often seen here also turkeys passing by. It's really pretty. I can hear some other birds as well. Really nice and soothing. These are impact windows, as I said. And the Webb community is a 55 and up community. You have a lifestyle director that offers a lot of options. Here is your master bedroom. You have a tray ceiling, fan, plantation shutters again. Beautiful furniture, a walk-in closet, very spacious. There's the attic access as well. Then you have a dual sink and a shower with a frameless glass door and also a bench. So let's go and see the 2nd bedroom, which is right here. So you have here the 2nd bedroom, also spacious. The whole unit is 1,460 square feet. You have a closet over here. And then also the 2nd bathroom has also an upgraded shower, so you don't have to step over any tub. And then right next to this here, you also have the laundry area. And that one also is upgraded with cabinets. So please give me a call with questions about this home or any other, about Ave Maria life in general, real estate in Ave Maria. My phone number is right here, and I look forward to welcoming you in Ave Maria. Thank you and God bless you.